In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Split screen view is one of my favorite features to multitask on my OPPO device. To use it, you don't need any special apps or tricks. All you need to do is pick one of your apps you wanna use on the top half of your screen, launch it, and access it in the background, like that. When you're ready, tap on those three dots at the top and select Split View from this pop-up. Then tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at once. If you want to go back from this mode, you can do it in 3 different ways. You can go back into background apps and swipe your apps like that. You can also hold this line in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button to close remaining one. Or you can use the same 3 dots at the top of one of your apps to select Close. Then close remaining app the same way as before. But my favorite thing about split screen is couple features I picked up while testing it. First one is you can actually resize your apps by holding the same line or by tapping on the same 3 dots, pick one of your apps and selecting Expand. You can use the same 3 dots to tap on full screen and use your chosen app in full screen view. Or you can tap on Switch App to switch current app you are using to any different one just by clicking on it. Let's go with Photos. If you wish, you can also tap on this line instead of 3 dots and tap on Swap Sides to switch places of them. Or my personal favorite, if you are often using the same 2 dots in split screen view, you can also save them by clicking on Save as App Group. And then every time you will click on a shortcut that will appear on your home screen, you'll be able to launch both in the same combination already in split screen view. To delete the shortcut, you need to hold it and tap on Remove. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!